This is a final video to fix Windows 11 getting stuck on the shutting down screen. Are you tired of waiting forever while your PC just won't turn off? This usually happens because some background apps or system processes freeze and prevent Windows from closing properly. Many guides online show complicated methods that confuse you with long steps and technical jargon. But today on Rexist, I'll share a simple trick that works fast and doesn't require any risky commands. You can fix this issue in just a few clicks and get your computer shutting down like normal again. If you want to show a full step-by-step tutorial, comment below and I'll make it for you. Don't let your PC freeze again. This easy solution from Rexist will save you time and frustration.